DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector boy.
Gang. What's good, YouTube gang? You already know what time it is. Yo, Don Mafia, we back in this bitch with another reaction. And you see what we got today, man? We got Pop the Balloon or Find Love, yo. And we gonna check it out, see what they dealing with, man. Hey, shout out to Rolly So Easy, bro. This man been doing this thing. Came a long way from like pranks and vlogs and with his girlfriend and thing. Right now, he's doing the Pop Balloon. He's like the Jamaican 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎� right now, even though 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐿 kind of low, but you know, he's doing this thing right now. So we're gonna check it out, see what is going on. This shit's been interesting. As I said, they've been getting a lot more popular as he dropped more videos. So I thought you guys might like it, might be interested. So we're gonna check it out again. Let's see what's going on.
I'm tell you, say you have to wait 2 years before you do any other thing like me give your head and them something there.
Me I wait.
Huh? A waiting money.
2 years. Just head are like smash, bro. 2 years to smash is crazy.
I feel like you tell.
Good evening.
I can't even hear you talk.
Good evening.
Oh shit, this is 20 versus 1. I thought this was a Pop the Balloon. Let's get it.
So may I say something to you? You are come on the great Rolly show. Come meet a girl in your socks and if I never show my thump in your back and make we fight, God know.
In my Gucci flip flops. What's wrong with you? Come on.
Nobody never skated in my life before, you know, man.
Yeah, me, you skate in your soul.
I am me. I want to skate in your soul. I want to turn up on the tool in your soul.
Welcome back to our next banger video, people. Make sure to leave a like. And so, live, the audio gone again. Oh, good. All right, watch on, people. Thank you so much for watching the last video. Yo, I love it with all of my art. You see it? I see you. Watch out the whole of the video. You see it? Big up yourself. Watch on.
Respect me. They watch the video for real, man. So you better give me my big up, Rolly. Big up, Rolly.
Today we are doing 20 verses. One of the baddest baddie right now, okay? Want to leave a like and subscribe because this is gonna go up, yeah? Back to back upload. Tomorrow I get that upload, you know.
Oh, come on, we ain't gonna do this ad shit now, bro. Come on, man. We ain't gonna be doing this ad shit now. But yo, these 20 versus 1s and Pop the Balloon are interesting.
Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait?
Hey, make sure y'all like the video. Don't be a hypocrite, man. Make sure y'all liking the video. Man, ask y'all. He's giving us bangers. Like the video. Like mine too.
Thank you. Unforgettable K, come out.
Unforgettable K.
Wow.
If we can't go down power near code, we can't go down power near and take up a Bible. All right, I am back in full effect.
Work it.
It's a very vulgar way of putting it, but she not wrong, you know. She don't wrong. She don't wrong, but shit, you have to say like that. But who is she though? Cause they say Unforgettable K, but we don't know she if even not forget her. Who is this?
Work. Give it. Wow. Work it. Wow.
You're good. Spend
Wow.
money. Teeth nice, body nice, everything nice. Spend money.
Yeah. Watch you know. We're gonna have the man them outside. I gotta come in. Why you type though, okay?
My time.
Yeah.
No, so I like tall man. I just think about it all the time.
You like tall man?
Yeah, I like tall man for some reason. Show my short. I'm gonna make them stretch for things and fix the things I'm not house.
Oh, you want a man with Andy?
Andy, but you want to tall.
Tall and Andy.
I look for one Andy.
Damn, Rolly shot, you know, man. Rolly shot. No, look at Rolly shot, you know. No, me look on her, she shot. Cause she did. Yeah.
The man and him short, you know, make no sense. Look on Andy man and him tall, beer things.
So the short Andy man them not good?
No, not to me.
So the tall Andy man them a lead?
Yeah, them a lead.
So that your type?
That's what I'm a type. I like a man with
You're rolling a easy, you know.
clean. I like man with nice teeth.
Teeth?
Yeah. Oh, I love tattoo. I love man
So
with
him
tattoo.
have a tattoo?
If him not have me, I go carry him. You have to have it in your mind, so you have to go put on two.
So you gonna make the man put on tattoo?
Yeah, can't really suppose him.
No, yeah, I try to tell the man not sitting where the man. No. She try to build the man in one of her man she used to deal with. There's even probably one of our man used to have tattoo, so she will try to turn her in him, but if him man now have tattoo, he might go put it on. What kind of shit is that? Nigga, get the hell out. Them postman no want none. So you try to turn the dog and something and you get a toxic nigga now. You see me, you turn the dog and he's not. And you turn into this toxic nigga where he wasn't before. And then you are pretty dog.
He introduced me to your mother and you know, she said would be a tattoo. Sir, I have to match your energy.
Oh, you want to make sure you're not chew him off.
Not chew him.
I know the thing. Cool them, man. Watch them, man. Yeah, bringing them man them. I want to see. I want the best of you. I know you're going to come with the... How much lights?
My name, Raw Shoot Boss.
Raw Shoot.
I'm not telling a lie. If you send you know I'm boy and I'm rolling me, I go talk. I don't know how to hold my mouth.
If I send you a youth and him not too up.
Yeah, I go tell him. I not go him back.
Just for information, no Jamaican no man know for all them. It's not just you.
Embarrassing, but I have to tell him, you know what?
No, I think I go on. People, rate the lineup. I think I go on good. I think I go on good. You see?
You know me. You know when I'm a brain.
How much lights we need right now?
I think we can go a mill.
1 mil.
But not change from that.
1 mil.
And a Raw Shoot Boss.
Raw Shoot Boss. Make sure to leave a like. Big up Live Boss for the visual. You don't know the chips. Got it night. Banana chips!
Hey, big up Rolly, man.
Alright, it's okay. You ready?
Yeah.
Watch here now. This round is a smell test.
Okay.
So the man them gonna walk up to you and you're gonna check them, you know? You're gonna test them, check, smell them.
Alright.
That's good?
Yeah, that's good.
You're not used to blindfold.
No, you don't want a boy can't blindfold me and tell me. I'm see my foot. Alright.
No boy in a blindfold, yeah?
Tripping.
I'm not do blindfold.
Oh, you're not do the kinky thing.
Obviously, when my picture.
Cool down. Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you.
Here we go. Heads and take off.
Mama wants to see everything. Mama like the visual. It's good.
Hello? You know what I read? You smell like weed. Did I smoke?
Smell the spray in your ear.
A conditioner water.
Conditioner water?
In my ears, yeah. In my ear.
Yeah.
I mean, if you smell it, and you if you smell me. Come here, so, because you're far from me. So I can't even find you. Come now. Really talk to him now?
What am I doing?
I know I couldn't find him. I don't understand him. I don't understand him perfume. Hold on. All right, yeah, him all right. Yes. Him perfume mixed with weed. Kind of want to look at bad girl vibes. Go on over there, sir. Yeah, which one is there? Go so. Yeah. Me not touch you again.
Touch me hand.
You know so much man I have in here, sir. Go on.
You don't have no man on me, you have. It's security.
That's a go on with vibes, man. That's a go on with vibes.
Come on. Really look
That's full of vibes.
like them look to be a tormented people saying, come here. Sunshine, you make me feel.
Smell alone.
I share the smell me.
Yeah.
Come smell me. Gucci.
I have muscle. Oh, I smell. All right.
That's the most in the line.
Still, I take it the smell. May I say no? It's too strong, man. Him too strong.
What?
Whatever I wear, too strong for me.
Too strong.
Yeah.
Gucci? I know.
Yes, I know for me.
Okay, all right.
Him not smell up. Him not good.
No, him smell just too strong.
Oh, like him having a couscous.
Something I don't know if I tie me. I'm not ready yet. Too soon for tie people.
Alright, go on.
But say, if you don't get time, dog spray on the aisle. I'm afraid. Who was saying to chop when I just obi aisle to that dog, the Gucci the yacht, so obi Obuchi. Obi Gucci.
How close in there to me?
They're close there.
Yeah, yes, no, I smell for sure. This did come. That am I right?
Yeah?
Yeah, him not lie now.
Him good.
Yeah, him not too loud. Make him smoke though, but
So is that yes?
yeah, it's a yes.
Alright. Describe him smell though.
Him smell more, you know what? Like him not kill up himself for look nobody. I'm regular smell. Yeah.
Oh, like I'm body odor that.
Yeah, I'm like I'm regular smell like.
Manali, you look gorgeous though. Type
Thank
shit, you know?
Thank you.
But one minute. You look kind of tired because you just running from my mind the whole time last night. Like,
I'm can't stay from this and smell your pass. Yes, go on. You ever smell him from this? Him smell good.
It's okay. I never tell him say we're gonna do a smell test, but a man for put on something when he go outside. Oh.
I want a girl them on the road come tell me say, "K, a man smell good." Yeah, that me I look for. Yeah, I say with your goat beard.
Different of you, K.
I not smell nothing more than no. See how shake for like I did in my face. All right, you not have no perfume. No smell the perfume. But for some reason, we can't touch him really.
Yeah, you can.
Are you too far? Come close. All right, hold on then. Come, we can touch you now. You don't want a perfume, not even.
You know, scarf up, man.
All right, you may not smell nothing at all.
Sure.
I'm positive. Carry back. So
you say that no?
I don't smell nothing, so I can't choose him. It's a smell test.
So you know?
No.
So him smell?
I don't smell nothing, just like him there beach and him come here, so.
Like him there beach?
Him smell like the outside ear. I don't know how to explain it.
Him smell like ear?
The ear outside, yeah.
I know what she's saying. Dog smell like outside. Dog nah no odor, you know. Dog just no smell.
Dude.
When you inside and somebody just come from outside, you can smell that it was outside. Yeah,
Like I'm in a little bit in my perfume. Next you. You can come closer. No, how far them stand up from me? Alright? You know, smell too bad, you know? Don't have to touch you know. I don't kind of tall, right tall.
Come on, K. I smell you if you smell. Yes or no?
Yeah. I give her, yeah.
Alright. What you normally smell pan a man? Him neck, him chest?
A man spray so, as him come in front of you, I go smell it. So you see me I smell them neck, the color not so strong here, so you have to spray it for him neck or in him hand or, yeah. When I get nothing here to knock me off my feet, for say, Yeah, me I wear one of them knockies there.
I'm Tariq. How are you?
Is that smell test, my G?
Is that
Wait,
it?
the smell test?
Yeah. Him have one that's like that alone make him pass. Yeah, you know my face too, you smell good, eh? You smell good, you must stay.
Yeah?
You must stay, yeah, it smell real good for throat sure.
Is that yes?
Yes, it was a yes.
What is it? What does it smell like?
Him smell like one of them man that will go on date regular. Yeah, you know someone that said this is a date spray. Yeah, I'm about a date spray right now.
That's funny. This is what go to women head from just a smell as person.
Hi, good afternoon.
Hello.
Yeah, hi. How are you doing?
We're doing a smell test. Can you come closer?
Sure.
Come nose not so. Look like a whole lot of money in Jamaica or the same thing. Come again, no, you just come, so.
Yes, hold on, now. We're the same cologne them, cause all our artists them are same cologne. You see? Invictus, Creed, Tom Ford, like you see me, the Dior, like Gucci. All on we're the same scent, bro. You see me? Now everybody are called Baccarat. Everybody are go on the Baccarat. You see me? I say, like, come on.
Yeah.
All right, yeah, him roll, him good.
Him good? Yes?
Yeah, he's good, yes.
Damn.
Describe that one there. The smell.
Everybody just have one. Feel one chill too. As I tell you, I'm gonna get a knocky said to say, yo, well, it alright.
Alright, so we are bringing the next youth.
I don't think any tell him says I smell test something.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
And how are you?
I'm okay. Them says I smell test something.
Smell?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ, me nervous. Go on and see if you find nothing.
Yeah, alright. I'm smelling next time.
Go on.
Alright, your beard.
Yeah,
Yeah. That's a yes. overdo it. In terms of Gucci and it kind of too Gucci for me.
Too much. All right,
God
bring in the next you.
damn, boy. Nigga, yeah, it's crazy.
Man,
The nigga with him dear
come
Gucci.
like a
The nigga with the dear Gucci get rejected. How you feel? Can't back. How you feel? Like, you know, Louis and everything, you know, come on, you know, clean, you know, and Gucci, you know. I like a dog and I like a cheap and clean. Mama say, yes, how you feel, nigga? You see me? That goes to show you, bro. Cheap and clean, and you don't have to buy expensive thing all the time, bro. You see me? Yeah.
I'm bad man this. Yeah, I'm bad man.
No, say no.
Alright, the mama look up baby powder smell. That not bad. I like that. Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah, you can't sleep with them lay down on your chest. Go on, sir. Yeah. Want baby smell. You mama look up baby. Whenever you ever hurt you want to lay down with your man and reason, you mama look a reasoning smell. Yeah. You know, you feel like you're
Bro, this is what smell give her, bro. This I smell like. Say, oh, me cat. That's crazy.
Go back come. Chill.
See what woman
Nice.
picture just from a
So
smell?
far, how me I go out with this smell and thing?
It's alright. You know, it'll get me riled up, you know, if it's alright.
Rile up.
Come on, see who smell like what I'm thinking of my head.
Oh.
Hi, beautiful.
Hello. Let me just smell this. Come closer. No, I'm gonna pause. No, I'm not smell this will turn me. You know? When I want drag off this off of my eye and look. So this is a no, yes. No, it's like how the rest of man them come in and me say, I wonder if him smell much him ear or him. Me and Omar, we know what we are look for. Him not have it, no.
Damn.
Hello?
Damn, nigga. Damn. I know. I mean, y'all look pretty clean. You see me? So the found out just about the name, you know, put on the center and then you have somebody that them will look dirty, you know, and them get that's crazy. I never thought from visual.
I try to get your smell with it. Take it too far from me. Come on.
Sorry.
Alright, see you later. We will only get that baby smell. You can't get baby before that perfume that Jamaican. It smell like a baby in fast still, yes.
Yes?
I like that little baby smell when I walk with. You know what tricky I try to trick me for? We feel the trickings. Yes, you pass.
Yes, okay. Okay, one of them buy a powder out there.
Hold me.
And that's your
Say the
thought.
next youth.
They buy a powder, that's your thought.
Alright.
Hello.
Hello, baby. Smell nice, you know.
You smell nice too. Let me go. Yes, go on, yes.
Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait?
I switched from state.
Yeah, this video pretty fun though. We might go on with things, man. You see me? This is actually interesting. Really bringing a pretty interesting twist. But hold on, gang. Give me a second. So far, it's lit. You see me? It's just really interesting.
Thank you.
Hey,
Hello.
we just work on Jambisco, so if you have to send that.
Nothing wrong, nothing wrong.
Oh, it's just something I know.
Jambisco money make money. Alright, well I know what you're there. So you tie? Oh yeah, you know that time. Yeah, this is a yes. Yeah. Alright.
Yeah, be chuck man get yes dog and you come and get rejected. How you feel?
Money I give me to the world.
Evening, beautiful.
Hello.
Hello, what's up?
I'm okay. Alright. I'm not smelling. I mean, have sensitive nose, you know. Right, man. Alright, I'm good. Where you going so far? Like a IKEA, look. Go on. Only thing if you spray so much perfume for your neck, it a bitter. Come. Yes, Rolly, yes.
I parents are that.
I think me that want him pass. Because I'm not telling out that everybody he had the strongest smell.
So you want him come back?
Yeah, I want him come back.
Him did shot?
But him have muscle come feeling.
Oh, you want the muscle you'd come back?
The muscle you'd come back. But the reason why I make him come back, so far he has the strongest smell.
Is it? So what me I gonna do?
So that,
I bring in the man where you say no to, for make you see them in person.
Okay. Alright. Gucci. Me, my Gucci. Alright, so go beside him and smell him.
Alright, so all of them money you say never smell up.
You never know see and come up here and you know. Alright. We can't smell them back though. Yeah, we know what people smell. I mean no. No, you just spray on something. I lie out there. I lie Rolling me and tell us that the spray not back. Like you put on a little pour a while ago, you know?
So it's enough for him. Him just spray on something.
Just spray on something, yeah.
Scammer.
We keep Gucci.
Oh, Polo, no.
Gucci.
Yeah, we keep Gucci.
Keep Gucci.
Yeah, we keep Gucci. Yeah, Gucci is a yes. Yeah, and I'll try to smell him again. Yeah, no, it's still.
Is that no?
No, it does not grab me. As much as how you smell.
That's my natural color.
Yeah, that's a natural. That's what I see.
Yeah.
I just should them say smell test. I go Gucci so Lord. Yeah.
Yeah, I swear.
But, yeah. Nah, grab me, no.
Alright. You're good though.
Alright, okay.
Look actually
What
like
do? That tape there. You stand and push by the tape there, and then I go walk come in. Based on the appearance now.
Dog and Polo. I feel like the dog and Polo, the Yavan and Tina. Woman ain't smell right, you know that.
I'm already, you know.
Yeah, appearance. Everything. Me know what me I look for.
Based on the smell them, how much should I rate it from 1 to 10? Like the man them.
Bro, but these ads, bro. I was even paying attention. Well, yeah, that's First Descendants. I'll be playing that shit, gang. So look out for me going live.
Boom, so everybody just come out, just smell like breed.
I think they don't really say they want. I don't know what for children. Nobody not have no wow smell for say. Oh my God, it smells so good and them smell stuck in my brain. Other than the two baby powder them.
Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you.
Take off your glasses.
Sunday, I'm gonna eat some callaloo and banana. You see me?
Alright. Appearance not too bad. Look kind of taller than me. I show me over my ears and I smile when I say. I can't get a joke in your smile. Alright, I'm smiling not so bad.
Man, I really hard, man. You see me? I say gang. You see me? Yeah, I mash up some. Look. Check you out. Yeah, I mash up some blood clean. Callaloo, banana, some planting. You see me? I say that Sunday there, you don't know anything set, you know. Yeah, man. Coming back to the reaction.
Tell him. I'm more see if me and you go out, or you do. If you say we're going to a date, or you approach me, or you make me walk in a venue.
Callaloo and saltfish, by the way.
Or with a walk in a venue?
Yeah. So really keep something. Alright, this not bad. Yeah, this not bad. You might look at flavor.
Go back, yeah, come out on camera. Alright.
Alright, yes. Is a yes? Yeah, man, it's a yes.
On to the next road. Sometimes the man them make you walk front of them.
See what him do? Ownership. Him not afraid to walk with him woman. Test him a while ago. Boy good, yeah.
Alright, so I'm bringing the next meal.
I feel like you tell.
Good evening.
I can't even hear you talk.
Good evening.
So may I say something to you? You are come on the great roller show. Come meet a girl in your socks and if I never show my thump in your back and make me fight. Yeah, you could have come in your socks and supposed to come go with me after I put on my clothes and beard and cute and makeup and everything.
Yeah, bright, mama. Bright. Good girl like your dog no put on your best. Yeah, bright. Nothing want to try, nothing good effort. Bright. You see me, you see? Dog feel like say you're easy and can just come so. You see me, just forward so you take him so. So put on your best, man.
This is a no,
mama.
Is that no okay?
Is that no? So me and him will go, if right now, if him a pick him, me and him can't go eat little food somewhere, sir. You know, go, no,
That's true.
This rolling, no.
That's true. I meet the girl right now, right? And so she pick you. She can't say, yeah, I'm going to dip. I could cut out and go away. Aye, shit, nigga, you're not planning for the, you're not planning for the winnings. You ain't planning for the winnings. You ain't planning to get get the prize, bro. You tripping.
Hard close business. Him a go watch one little match, no. And me and him a go watch a match, no. Yeah, to come pick who me a star, a lie.
Yeah.
On the beach side, nice.
This is girl.
No, I never beach roller say. You know this side beach yet. We're not even reached the way, no.
Alright, my G's, I know.
Like somebody say come collect the money. When I'm dark color say dog come collect the money. No, really, I want my clean clothes. I'm look good, I'm smell good. With my nice white smile from way over there, sir.
Ayo, clean, ayo.
Clean.
Oh no, the harder they know.
Nice looking face. I see her. You have a nice looking face and a nice looking smile.
I'm Tariq, how are you?
Yeah, right. The only thing though, this is gonna be the weirdest thing for me. Me eat clocks, bad. I mean, I like man who wear clocks at show. Like, me don't like clocks.
Clocks?
But it's true you don't know me.
Yeah.
I still have give her yes.
Alright.
I can't use the clocks and judge you because you never know me,
Yeah,
no?
that's true, that's true.
But yeah, you're very handsome.
Eat him shoes.
Me eat him shoes. Me never go buy him one right now. If me and him are gods. Yeah.
Hey, alright, my G, yes.
Alright, respect.
Like, that's still low. She hated. But she would have buy one. She I say, yo, you have a chain on by yourself. She say, yo, me buy it with you too. She hated it. So that's a strong dislike.
You eat clocks? You're not Jamaican.
That's everybody always. So I don't like clocks. It's what me have to tell him.
Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you.
A clock.
Make sure you say I like your video for real, you know. Tone, see me and what? Hey.
They come for kill me.
Good afternoon again.
Hello.
Hi, good afternoon again.
Yeah, get to know.
Yeah, man, everything normal, man.
Dog look like.
Just when I thought I was out.
Dog look like that. That nigga look like Invader Zim, bitch. Say I'm lying, gang. This man don't look like Invader Zim, bro. Hold on. Hold the phone, gang. Don't judge me, gang. But look at this shit. Tell me this man don't look like Invader Zim, bro. Tell me this man don't look like Invader Zim, gang. Tell me this man don't look like Invader Zim, bro. Tell me this man. Hold on, wait a second. Tell me this man don't look like Invader Zim. Bro, oh my God. Hold on. Hold on, damn. I'm taking too long to do this shit, gang. Hold on. Bro, tell me this man don't look like Invader Zim, gang. Look at this shit, bro. This is Invader Zim right here. What are you talking about? This man is Invader Zim in the flesh. What are you talking about? This man is invaders Zim in the flesh. Look at that shit. Hold on, I'm going to This man is invaders Zim, man. Look at that shit, guy. They don't look alike. They don't look alike. Even got the same hairstyle. All right, let me stop picking on buddy. Dog. Shout out to Cuz though. There's me no shade, no hate. Well, come on.
That's the only reason I'm not gonna say yes. Cause you're short and you have little body. I feel like say somebody gonna fight me, I 2 hours I'm gonna fight. I mean I really want to break my nails, you know. So that's why I'm gonna say no.
So who did tell us say yo you have to use your nails and broke your nails?
No, because me and you little like them a beat me up. We expect my things so you look how much did I do well for me. Just per se, cause me say at least if you thump a boy and feel it, knockout style. You know me? Yeah, what? Yeah.
So K is a no?
Is a no for me, yeah.
Him have little body.
Don't judge the shot dog them though. You see? Don't judge the shot on the mark of you them. Me not gonna lie. You see? But me understand my man.
Him have little body and me have little body and me more if I go fight for him. Him look at him have a little say in it still, but more one big chaptive man. Remember say my mouth bad? So you know what? Me need defender of the earth. Yeah.
Like Johnny Bravo again.
Like how she real though. Like how she real honest.
It's a type of style.
But she's a no.
So it's a no for me, yes sir.
No.
No, this a swag.
LR.
Yeah, it's a
You know what I
swag.
mean? Me like.
Wow. Oh, you
Like
say
a troublemaker this.
Yo, you
Why?
look good, you know?
You look good too.
John wants to, can I get a 360? You know what I mean for big, or you for big, but me just a big you want 360. You look nice.
I think more for make you weird, but
Well, I'm ask you one question.
alright.
Are you name Unforgettable Kiddo?
One and only.
Yeah, me no want to forget it. Just give me a look at one look at
And I'm say you see you know the
You know?
patience, but just tell us for
Alright, me go wait.
Alright. You see like I'm my weight, I give my Him
Nice,
coming in and
nice.
sweats with sneakers, that look good. That's a swag.
That's swag. Why ain't no fucking swag, bro? What the fuck is this? This shit trash. What the? Come on. I mean, dog matching. You know.
A swag.
LR.
Yeah. It's a
But this fit kind of
Yeah, I mean,
basic.
look like
you
a
know.
troublemaker this.
Yo, you
Why?
look good, you know?
Dog, did I try going with a little vibesy thing? You see what I'm there try still. You see me, man, did I try going with a little vibesy thing? You know, you look good,
You
you
look
know.
good too.
John wants to,
Maybe that
can I get a
thing too hard.
360? You know what I mean for big, or you for big, but me just a big you want 360.
You thinking too
You look
hard.
nice.
I think more for make you weird, but
Well, I'm ask you one question.
alright.
Are you name
You thinking too
Unforgettable
hard.
Kiddo?
See?
One and only.
Yeah, me no want to forget it. Just give me a look at one look at
He's trying to do that little, but he's thinking too hard and it's not hitting. He should have slowed down. He's breathing too hard.
You see you know the
You know?
patience, but just tell us for
Alright, me go wait.
Alright. You see like I'm my weight, I give my Him
Nice,
coming in and
nice.
sweats with sneakers, that look good. That's a swag.
Why you type though, okay? You see you type yet? Like,
No, I'm not saying my type yet. But so far, are people that I can par with, you know? Alright, I'm going to look at tattoo. You know, I like tattoo. Let me see a tattoo. What your tattoo say?
use up the mic. Use up the mic.
Oh, this second is a mother name.
Your mother name Kayan?
Yeah.
And me name Kayan.
That's crazy. For real. That's crazy.
Yeah, I'm going to choose one away, sir. Because my mother-in-law don't really work out like that all the time. They don't really so love me. I get a lot. Alright. For some reason, I like him nose piercing and him tattoo. Come like he's a hot boy. Stop.
We have one buck, lad. Dog look like a bad juvie. You see me? And that she say she want. You see that look like a little bad juvie. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, man, dog I do him thing, man. Dog I probably a little chopper, you know. Nigga got the fours on. You see me? He got the low belt. Dog got a little chain, little pinky ring. Got, you know what I'm saying? A little watch. You feel me? Dog got a little motion. You got the NYs, dog got a little motion. You see me? I say? That year, even though that year pull out, dog got a little fresh lineup. Dog got motion, man. Tattoo pan and she said she like niggas with I feel her type.
Sagwa.
Ah, she are going like, I feel.
No. Me is a swag girl. Me I give my yes. Want hear something else. Yeah, I keep. Drop your pants, I'm afraid. Yeah. If police come here, me I do not know.
Hi. Go on, man. Vibes. Yeah, gang, I don't even know if I can react to the whole of this. You know what I'm saying? Let me know if you want. I might do this in a part 2, like 2 parts of this shit. So let me know.
I'm there, man. Bring a little water for you.
No,
Type shit.
this, boy, I think about it.
And look here, no disrespect. You don't know, say, you know. I'm not here to flip.
Nigga, You should have different shirt. You should have had a different shirt.
Specs, you know.
Or at least the size of the shirt, bro. But different shirt and you'd be straight, bro.
check.
White tee, you would be straight. Black tee? Right now, she not too like how you put, I'm telling you, 'cause the pants hard. The pants hard. I don't know what kind of shoes that, but the shoes alright. Pants hard. Could have fit a little bit, but the pants hard. But nigga, that shirt, bro, that shirt fucked it up.
You know, type shit. But that's why people to check on things.
Not the way you just
No, when me I say, listen, hold on, when me I try to say, no disrespect, I just want to pick up the check.
Oh, I rhyme.
Yeah, while these males over there want to give you the sex, I just want to give you my respect type shit. Like ain't capping. For real.
Now I got lyrics. No disrespect, me want to pick up a check while all these male orders trying to give you sex. Me just want to give you bars. How the bumper clad? Alright, my shit not working, but bars, bro. He did that shit, come on. She didn't even catch it. Wanna go over her head.
No,
type shit.
this, boy, I think about it.
I look here, no disrespect, you don't know, say, you know. I'm not here to flex, you know. Only thing I want to pick up at the check, you know. Type shit. But that's why I pick up the check and thing.
Not the way you just
No, when me I say, listen, hold on, when me I try to say no disrespect, I just want to pick up the check.
Oh, I rhyme.
Yeah, while these males over there want to give you the sex, I just want to give you my respect type shit. Like ain't capping. For real.
A long time I don't get lyrics from grade 9.
Type shit.
Mama put it back around like a beaver.
Yeah.
Nah, like, come
the
on,
type
bro.
shit, those are type shit one more time.
You angle it though.
What's
Okay.
your hot girl?
Yeah.
All right. In full of too much argument, you know. But my full.
Give dog a pass, man. Give dog a pass. She go. Yeah, she go. Give man a yes, dog. She gonna give you check him cars and swag. Let me tell you, dog. If you daddy just wear a plain black shirt, dog, that good.
Full of argument too. What? I don't know in a role. I have to go work for him. The 8 whitewash jeans, in avant clanks. You want skinny youth in a one large shirt. Make you wear that. I feel ask
You see what I mean? That shirt is what killing her and the clocks. But the shirt.
Your shirt a large. I bet you any
Shirt a
money.
large, but every time I go to KFC, I don't smell for other large stuff, so you know.
You want to feel big.
Yeah.
So you can manage a big girl like
Of course. I'm not turn down
you
nothing.
said that with confidence.
Of
And
course.
that's why. Want to see where else? Round 2, come in. Make him stay rolling. Full argument, yeah. And then make sure say give me something for drink. Yeah.
So you like that? I'm gonna look out for you.
Yeah. In no time because I covered it still, you know?
Yeah, the call is still a fight.
You know some money I want to play, I sense it from afar. Go like him can't talk, and all of them something there. Hello.
Hi.
Use up the mic.
Okay.
Alright. Take out the key. I want to see your key. Your key. Alright. No, I'm fascinated with keychain. Somebody don't want to see how it is.
You want to see what kind of car that drive? Talk truth.
No, that's not bad. And you wear a watch. That's nice. You look quiet though. You know me?
I think I saw it before.
You think you saw me before? Like, my loud bad.
I heard the voice from outside.
Oh, yeah, you advice from outside. Somebody else, you say, "Choo, me know say you come in and you can't talk." But just I know why you know say me if you choose you and the cussing start, the whole neighborhood you can't anger that. If you do me nothing in the house, the whole neighborhood go here come my mouth go loud.
Probably not too silent for that.
Maybe you're too silent for that. See, me have a testing mode. Them say I'm too silent for that. So, what you think? You pass or you stay?
No, I mean like, me not think I'm the
So you
person.
think you have it in and me can groom me if you calm down myself?
Silent.
Yeah. Why your side?
No, silent you.
You can silent me. That's not bad. We don't. I like that not bad. You can silent me with one. I'm curious. Say me and you cuss, how you that approach me?
Man, no cuss.
You know cuss. That's one good thing.
Try to calm.
Alright. You think you don't want me out? You must start get disrespectful?
Basically, as a man, you don't really know what your woman really likes. So
Okay,
you don't know what
okay.
to.
Alright. Think we're gonna make him stay. Yeah, you know why? Sometimes it's nice we have opposite, you know? Opposite attract, yeah.
You want to bully the man? Go ahead. No, okay, you want to bully the man. You want to come shout after and cuss the man. You don't say that quiet. Don't do it.
It's easy for fix. You have close body, you just...
Him have close body RMG, is that yes?
Yes, I yes. You have to put on 2 tattoos. You are willing to do that?
Not too dark.
No, trust me, you never see cartel before I'm white. Everything good. But it's a yes, really.
she gonna ruin this man, bro. She gonna ruin this man, dog. Run, dude, run. Run, dog. She gonna ruin this nigga life, bro.
You say him have what kind of body?
You have close body.
She gonna ruin this man life.
You have some man out the road, she bad. And because of that, we not date them, because we think about what we da put you in her, you know. And what you're wearing now, when we can put you in her, when we can change your swag. So boy swag can't change.
Your woman easy, your woman do easy. We your woman think about like the niggas in relations like crazy, right?
We know a local artist in need not can't change, no matter which dear clothes they put on. Always say I'm not neat. Won't call him.
You might think you know Bespoke Post.
That's messed up, but yo, it's funny. I like her though. I like her she talk her mind. I like how she talk her mind. Okay, pick up herself.
Jesus Christ.
I'm full of chain though.
Yo, bling money, you know.
Money.
Everything.
Good night, dog. You need some food. You need some food, dog. Yeah, man. Bro.
Fear money, you know.
Say one of the things I like about him support my brother. Yeah, him support my brother crack creation him have. I can put it on?
Yeah, man,
Yeah. Support Lincoln, man. Oh, him at look for me.
Oh, this is Lincoln sister?
Alright. The earworm come out though.
Yeah, but I know so.
Listen to that hand. Oh, your ear wash. Yeah. Should I do that first before I put that? What a wig, a easy thing. So tell me about yourself.
Yeah, man, I know so I go to
a Lincoln sister. Okay.
thing we do is it like support people, is it homeless people and everything there.
Oh, that nobody have a nice art.
Yeah,
for your sign.
Virgo.
Oh, me a Libra, your pass, come. No for work for you.
Alright, baby, we go first.
Yeah.
Easy, I saw you. Look at that walk.
Oh, that nobody have a nice art for your sign.
Virgo.
Oh, me a Libra, your pass, come. No for work for you.
Alright.
Don't play the dog, chop one.
Baby, we go first.
Yeah.
Chop one.
Yeah. My big fan sign. Only thing Virgo man mean, but if they wire, they spend their money. If me want me, I tell you.
I like her, man.
A big fan sign?
Big fan sign, like Zodiac, I'm a shit, like, yeah.
Hey, Jambisco collector this.
That's how you wear your slippers?
Yeah. Just happen for
You can't do work and play at the same time.
I'm sorry. I come here in a haze, like I don't wear no.
But you know where you were coming. If you're going on an interview, you don't wear your slippers?
No?
Exactly. So you have to look for me like it's a whole interview, because you get to meet Unforgettable 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓.
I get for meet them are the kid Jambisco collector.
Yeah, I don't have no problem with who you is. I just say, I set a little standard to myself. I would never date a guy who wear slippers to come on a date with me. I'm sorry.
Respectable. You know what I'm saying? You gotta respect that, bro. Nigga, like, the least you can do is come approachable. Come presentable. You see me? We learn that from your appearance as youths. You see me? Now go on your road, you present yourself well. You see me? I say, you never say, if you impress nobody, but present yourself well. And nigga, come on. You left your house, you see me? You know, socks and slippers, cut off jeans, which nothing wrong with that. But now, below your body image, you see me? You don't even look well put together. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Okay, no problem.
So is that no?
It's a no, yeah.
You don't like the slippers?
Bro, I'm put on my clothes. I'm going to
That's
I have money and pedicure, no? I'm going to have one piece of heels.
Just like how she said that, though, I see how I feel about this whole lingerie hop top shit, dog. I hate seeing
From my
women
foot and my clothes look nice, and my ear and my makeup, do a whole heap of money.
I don't like this lingerie.
Now, this gentleman is
Manners
put
again.
together. Yeah.
I'll go on.
Oh, God. Him know for much pants and shirt. Him have a nice smile.
Yeah, man, me try. You see it?
Yeah, have a nice smile. Look like a player still, but through my toxic, me know if you deal with it, no, so it's a yes, yeah.
What?
Yeah, it's a yes.
Look. Toxic, you know if you do this, I go give you a bun till a week, yo. I give you a bun till a week. Say, yo, that look like it look like a player, but True, she talk shit, she know for the you don't know. Yeah, man, she give her same remedy under your cloth, man.
Of that in a baby.
Yeah. Watch out. Too much, man. Come down now. This have to be a joke. A prank. A prank. Nobody never skated in my life before, you know, man.
Yeah, me, you skate in your soul.
Really, why you do this to me for?
What you say? Hola.
I can't take you serious.
I love your tattoo them first.
Thanks. Thank
first, because you can deal with pain.
you. Yeah.
You know what I mean?
In every language.
In every language.
Mm-hmm. But your pain when you go carry to me, I'm going to just kill you.
Woman. Yo, hold on. Woman ain't dealing with your bullshit, bro. She ain't dealing with you. Just kill your black feet and done. Yo.
Can't kill me.
Yo.
So, you know, I can't bother no man now. I want man to walk in my life, so then take them time and walk to me. And me ask, you skate in my life?
Quick and fast. Like how Messi kick and pass.
I can't skate in. Skating too fast and quick.
Skating in your hole like how we skate on the tool. I want to
Yeah, them type of man that just want it on the first night. And
No,
I skating, I first thing in my mind. Tell me something about yourself.
I'm a professional dancer and choreographer.
That's how you have on your skates?
No. Skating is like recent passion when I take up dancing, the first passion.
So may I say something more? All right, you know where you were coming, right?
Yes.
Ras just airy. You see me, Ras just airy. He's just a fun loving. Live life. Live good, feel good type of you. Me can't tell you. See?
For where your skates?
Yeah.
Just so.
Come on, you must see me and look on TikTok. Come on, you must see me.
No, I never see you on the TikTok, you know what? But just, this blew my mind out of everything.
So that me I tell you, man, no shoes can compare to me $60,000.
Yes, you see me? Man, want to blow your mind. That's the whole point. You got to think about this shit. I'm different. You see me? I say, you have to pay attention at some point. That's what I try to do.
Yes,
I never really need to know a price.
Woman love look for a foot.
Woman love look for a foot.
Everybody come in here and one of them boot them.
Like me just tell a man to wanna date a man who wear slippers. But I wouldn't. But I think this so will come on is me, is you getting to know me, alright? Right?
Yeah, right.
Okay. And me wanna choose a man in our skates.
Alright, so
come on, I feel like you take me serious.
No, but you not get to know me because this is me. Come in my authentic natural form.
So your authentic natural form is in skates?
Yeah, me nah go pretend it.
Okay, well the authentic natural form is not for me.
What you mean? You afraid I skate so bad?
I'm afraid I so. I think you just violate me for coming on skates.
What you just say?
But are your natural form so I can't eat your feet?
No, we say I violate you.
Yeah, for me, I look for you know. Rolly said to me, say, Ken, see what I go on. Me want to see your type of man, because you always depend on the media, talk about man. So Rolly get, you
so
know.
you try to say, if I never fall now on skate,
if you never fall now on skate, I don't really like man with dreads.
Locks.
Yeah, with locks. Yeah.
Why not like man with locks?
Locks are not my preference, because I don't know, maybe you don't eat meat and them something there.
Yeah, I'm a vegetarian.
That I wouldn't work, I love pork, but
so why it wouldn't work? I follow, because me not a problem with you eat your thing, you know?
Oh, so you would cook 2 pot?
If me would have cooked 2 pot?
You would have to cook it 2 pot?
You would have to cook 2 pot too.
Well, that's true.
That's true.
It's a whole heap of work, though.
Which whole heap of work?
To cook 2
with them
pots.
means I'm me in the kitchen.
So you need the flour?
Me and you in the kitchen. You deal with that over there. White rice I wash over yourself.
Alright, that's not bad still. At least him know for work it out.
But you mean if you work it out after that, then later on have
I still gonna say no, him chain too much. Having one gold teeth.
What you just say?
So, yeah.
No, so.
You're too flashy for me.
What do you mean I'm too flashy?
You're too flashy, that's something simple. The skates alone flashy.
Them tattoo you alone flashy, mama.
Yeah, but
when I Dr. Bird, yeah. I represent Jamaica, madam, me, the whole them scale, you know much
it's a no.
Grizzly, no.
Rice, no.
Yeah.
Come like that season, no my season.
Skate on through.
Yes.
Him too flashy, him full of too much excitement.
So you know like a flashy man?
Alright. But like a flashy man for a girl who
Different
just look
type.
at him and say, no, okay,
Different type of flashy she like. She do like flash different.
man look good here, and him not do not know. Him a do too much. Everybody I go say, so what make K man wear them skates there? It's too distracting. It's very, very distracting. And worse, I can't skate roll. Him a girl teach me, one if I drop in the night for me. I just too much. Then I know point blank, down the line, I'm going to burn out the pork cooking. Never trust them. You understand? Yeah.
The last meal right there, is it?
Wait there.
Bro, hey, me like she
Please
got
like the
vibes.
video.
She got vibes, bro.
May I wait?
She got vibes, bro. I'm rocking with K.
Thank you.
Alright, so okay. No, the man them have a choice.
But I'm going to end it right here, gang. Let me know if you want to see part 2. We can continue it. You see me I say? It's like an hour and a half video. It's the first 30 minutes. Let me know if you want to see the rest, all right? Then we can react to the rest. But I like this. Rolly, big up yourself. You see me? Trouble Link Up TV, big up yourself. Make sure you go check out their videos, like and comment, let them know the dance, you know. Yeah. Unforgettable K, big up yourself. I like she got vibes. Her energy, vibes, everything, her personality is dope, bro. I rock with her. Yeah, man, she do her thing. That's dope. Well, yeah, man, gang, let me know what y'all think. You already know. Leave your comments in the comment section. Drop your requests. All that good shit, gang. You already know. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.